Today I will explain exercise 6.3 question number 3. The question is diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criteria for two triangles so that OA upon OC that is equals to OB upon OD. So what is given here? That ABCD is a trapezium and the diagonals intersecting. ABCD is a trapezium given and the diagonals AC and BD are intersecting at O. So write it here. Given is ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC and diagonals intersect at O. To prove is, what is to prove? That is, show that OA upon OC that is equals to OB upon OD. Now next is your proof. It is given AB parallel to DC. Means these two lines are parallel and BD is a transversal. So we will take triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, here these two lines are parallel, so angle 2 equals to angle 1. They are alternate angles, alternate interior angles are equal when the lines are parallel. Same way, angle 3 that is equals to angle 4 that is equals to angle 3. They are also alternate interior angle. Therefore, triangle AOB that is similar to the triangle COD by AA similarity criteria. Therefore, OA upon OC that is equals to OB upon OD. When the triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional. Just see OA. In front of OA you have angle 2. Angle 2 equals to angle 1. So it is OA, that is OA upon OC, that will be equals to OB, that is angle 4 equals to angle 3. So in front of angle 4 you have OB. So OB upon OD that is equals to angle 3. Now question number 4. Here also the figure is given and in which QR upon QS equals to QT upon PR given and angle 1 equals to angle 2. So that triangle PQS that is similar to the triangle TQR. So what is given here in the question? That is angle 1 equals to angle 2 first, and the second QR upon QS, that is equals to QT upon PR. To prove is triangle PQS is similar to the triangle TQR. Now the next step is the proof. So it is given here angle 1 equals to angle 2 in the figure. And when angle 1 equals to angle 2, then in the triangle PQR, that is PQ equals to PR, that is side opposite two equal angles are equal. Now it is given QR upon QS, that is equals to QT upon PR, and we have find that PQ equals to PR. So in place of PR we can write PQ. So we can get QR upon QS, that is equals to QT upon QP. Because PQ equals to PR. So now in triangle PQS and triangle TQR, QR upon QS, that is equals to QT upon QP, we have proved above. Or we can write QR upon QT, that is equals to QS upon QP. We can bring QT to this side, QS to this side, and it will not make any difference. And angle 1, that is equals to angle 1. Angle 1 is common in this triangle PQS as well as TQR. That is common. Therefore, triangle PQS, that is similar to the triangle TQR by with some similarity SAS. When one angle between angles are equal and the two sides are proportional, corresponding sides are proportional, then it is SAS, similarity criteria.